everyone, happy Monday. I have my coffee. It's not Dunkin', I just use a Dunkin' cup. This is home brewed coffee with some Silk almond creamer. All right, so today's gonna be a little different. We're gonna be talking about some life skills today, although I do wanna mention something that's very important first. So to start this video off, we're gonna be talking about NTPPM, which is National Teen Pregnancy Prevention Month, and that is the month of May. What is it? You know, you hear National Teen Pregnancy Prevention Month, that kind of makes sense, right? Like cut and dry, don't have sex, preventing pregnancy. Use birth control, preventing pregnancy. Well, there's more to it. It's very complex. So what are we doing this month? This month is going to bring awareness to talking to teens about sex, love, relationships. So a main goal that National Teen Pregnancy Prevention Month has is to help teens take control of their future and show them that they have the power to decide if, when, and under what circumstances to get pregnant. This is giving them the power to decide through informed decisions. So what we really want is to be talking to teens, help them make the most informed decision that they feel is right for their goals. A super helpful resource on this topic is powertodecide.org, and I will link that in the description above. So another resource would be Oswego County Opportunities Health Education Program. They have a Facebook page called National Teen Pregnancy Prevention Month. On this Facebook page, they have some activities that are planned for the rest of the month, as well as resources that are available in the community. Make sure you like and follow the page for activities and prizes. One resource is the Reproductive Health Centers that Oswego County Opportunities also has. The Reproductive Health Centers offer things such as wellness exams, STD testing, birth control. They have a condom hotspot in their waiting room. They have a list of condom hotspots around the community as well. They have an informational video that gives you a tour of the Fulton Reproductive Health Center, and I think that's extremely helpful, and it helps people be more comfortable if they ever need those services. So now we're going to talk about some life skills, and a life skill that ties into this would be making an appointment, such as at the Reproductive Health Centers. Before you even get on the phone to schedule an appointment, you would want to find out what days and times you are available first. Typically, when you're scheduling an appointment, they'll ask you what time or day is better for you, or if they only have a couple openings, they will let you know that as well. You want to make sure that you have transportation available to and from the appointment. You want to make sure that you have your personal information on you, like your license, your insurance card, and also have a personal calendar with the times and dates you're available to set up future appointments when you get there. You'll need to make sure you are managing your time wisely. If you need to get there early, you need to make sure that your transportation knows that. Typically, you need to only be 15 minutes early, but if they want you to fill out paperwork, then you might have to be 30 to 45 minutes early. And I want you to know, don't be discouraged if you are embarrassed or have a hard time making your own appointments. That is something that is very common. It is, however, a good skill to have, so practice makes perfect. And the person on the other line should be very helpful to you. And I also just wanted to mention that this is not the current procedure with the COVID-19 safety precautions, and most appointments are done over telehealth. But to figure out that information, you can always call and ask when you're making an appointment. Also, in non-COVID-19 circumstances, health education can also transport to and from appointments. So make sure in the future, if you ever need that service, make sure you take advantage of that. Well, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope this might have helped you out, give you a little insight about, what National Teen Pregnancy Prevention Month is like, and also how to make appointments. All right, I hope everybody has a fantastic Monday and a fantastic rest of the week, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye! To get started, we're going to talk about some life skills. I feel like I'm talking into a microphone. This microphone is delicious. So to get started, we're going to be talking about some life skills today, but I feel like I never look at the camera. How come nobody's ever told me that? I'm just looking at myself this whole time, so it looks like I'm looking off into the distance. It's very hard for me to look at the camera. Oh. Say national. Teen. Pregnancy. Prevention. Month. Crushed it.